Amen. Good morning, church. Good morning, church. Amen. Are you happy to be here today? I'm so excited to be here today. Amen. So we are the Voice of the Lord Assembly. We just want to present our two items unto the Lord. Amen. So I will really encourage you as we sing. It's actually operator as well as we sing. So please feel free to give unto the Lord as we're going to minister. Amen. So if you know the song, please feel free to join us. Amen.